Okay, so in this video I will talk about the heat treatment process. So this is basically, if you see, it's the cycle consists of three processes. So first one, you have to heat it, then you have to hold it, or it is also called soaking, and then you have to cool. So this is the heat treatment cycle which we will use. So broadly, the cooling rate plays the important role. So this part is important. So we have to vary the cooling rate to get different microstructure which will represent or which will give us different properties. So here if you see that this is a heat treatment for the steel. So first we have to heat, then we have to hold it, and then we have to cool it with different cooling rates. So the process one here, it is actually slow cooling. So this means that in slow cooling we will get coarse perlite. So this process is called annealing. So we have to cool it inside the furnace. So here we will get coarse perlite, which means actually that the interlaminar spacing is more. Then we have air cooling. So air cooling means it is actually called normalizing. So we'll get very fine perlite. So this fine perlite, this is due to the high cooling rate. Then we have astempering. So in this case, the you can see this is the third case. So here uh, we actually cool it, then we have to hold it in this particular temperature. So for means here actually the austenite part will be there, and finally it will be transformed into a completely different microstructure which is called benite. And so the fifth one is the quenching. So if we quench it, we will get actually martensite, so which is very hard and brittle, which cannot be used for different applications. For that reason we have to temper it. So that is shown in process 4. So again we have to heat it, then hold it, then actually cool it. So actually means heating the tempered martensite. So uh, so means here the microstructure will be tempered martensite. Okay, so but in quenching we will have only martensite, so it will be very hard and very brittle, so which is not good for any of the applications. That's why we do the tempering. So that's all for today. I will talk more about heat treatment in the coming videos. Thank you.